So uh, let's get started. Hi guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Ronald De Vera Diaries. So guys, today's video we're gonna unbox this new mobile phones 2025. This is a Redmi Note 14 Pro, a new phone from Xiaomi Redmi. It's a Redmi Note 14 Pro model, 200 megapixel camera. So let's get started. So here's the unit, a Redmi Note 14 series, and this is a Redmi Note 14 Pro. Look at this, so very nice, very compact box, tough. So before we unbox, let we unbox first this. So here's the Redmi Note 14 series, a package, one box package of inclusion for its price. So I get oh a Redmi Note 14 series small tumbler, good for coffee, cold drinks, hot drinks, it's fine. Look at this, made of a pure stainless steel. Oh, it's lace, uh, it's good fiber cable lace for this small tumbler. So let's get started. So here it comes. I'm just gonna do it slowly just to share this short video directly on the spot unboxing with this Redmi Note 14 Pro powered by Xiaomi Hyper OS. This is its cover, and this is its unit. a SIM card pin ejector, one piece of a phone case. So it's a color black. So its texture is a comfy like this. It's a good rubber kind of uh, something like silky, smooth, comfy. And I get a manual book, a warranty, and one piece of type C cable. So during I buy, the Xiaomi staff store explained to me last January they cut off this one of the inclusion. It's a power adapter. So only just like that. I don't have any idea in another country, but here in Poland, I've been by it yesterday, and yeah. So this is what I got only for this. There except for the uh, power adapter. So now we're gonna read it one by one. Each sentence indicated here. Once again, a Xiaomi logo, Redmi Note 14 Pro model, 200 megapixel Pro Grid AI camera system, a 5500 battery with 45 watts turbocharging, powered by MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra. This is its chipset. For this so maybe Xiaomi is now doing good their products. 120 Hz ICare display, 32 megapixel selfie camera. So here we comes. We're just gonna peel it. Do it slowly, guys, slowly. Oh, wow, amazing. Look at this. Very finest, perfect item. Look at this edge. So this kind of model, it has a headphone jack. So thumbs up from Xiaomi. So in this unit, it has a triple camera, and it indicates the 200 megapixel from its center. Very good sleek design. I'm gonna put this telephone case so that we will observe, we will check if what is appearance. This is their mid-range phone, but so powerful, from this year 2025. Gorilla Glass Victus. So here it's a startup, guys. So multilingual available here. I will prefer English because I'm Filipino. So our second major language is English. So here the Google service for its Google services. Agreement, accept, skip, basic settings, skip, font setting, skip, set up your lock screen, accept cookies, select default launcher. Okay, we choose this classic for its neutralness. So here comes Shopee HyperOS preparing system. Please take a moment. So now ready, setup complete. Okay, next. Wow. So this is a 120 hertz gigahertz, 120 gigahertz. So look at this swiping slider, very fast. So here it's a logo, guys. It's a HyperOS powered by HyperOS from Xiaomi. So I will swipe up here just to see and scroll this. So here's my receipt, guys. Total it cost of 1,199 zloty. Official receipt from a Xiaomi authorized reseller. So I hope you're gonna be enjoy this video.